Hey there, I was sent over these foam faucet covers for the outside spigots and I really like them. It's just an easy way to offer protection for my house and the spigots over winter and when it's cold. And in fact, on one side of the house, I just leave it on all the time because I don't use that one faucet very often. These come as a 2-pack and they're made out of EPP foam. So they're going to be durable and they're going to provide good insulation for that faucet. These don't require any special tools for install. They slip right over your existing spigot. So it's in 2 parts. So the looped part goes through here. Once it's together, you have this that will tighten it down. You have this washer here that just provides a little more insulation over the hole that's there because that's going to fit tight up against it. Let's put it on. I've got 2 different spigots. They're both a little different, but it's going to work on both. So for install, you just want to squeeze the plastic piece and slide it all the way to the back up to the T. Then insert the rubber ring over the spigot. And then I place it tight against the house, whichever direction gives me more contact with the foam against the house is the way I put it. Stretch everything back out, slide this up tightly up against the washer, and you're good to go. This spigot's a little bit different, but it works the same way. The rubber goes over the nozzle, push it up against the house, tighten it, and you're good to go. Easy, simple way just to offer some protection for your home. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.